Hi guys, this is what we finished the last video on of us making my parents' closet. So now we are securing it in place so it doesn't fall. And then we made the rest of the walls for my parents' room. And now we are going to make Dennis's closet. This is the doorway for his closet. And then we are going to make the small side piece. And then once we're done making that side piece, we're gonna put both the walls up and Dennis's closet will be made. So we've gotten the two closet walls up, and now we are securing them in place and are going to make the pantry. This is the last thing of the walls we're gonna do in this video. And the pantry, my dad's measuring everything out, so the top and bottom of the pantry connect and are the same, like measurements. And then he's gonna start making the walls of the pantry. So here's one wall, making sure it's all straight, and then we are going to make the other wall. So here's the other wall being made, and we've got one of them made already, and now we've put the walls up and connected them, and now we're just gonna make the little piece that goes over top of the pantry door like this, and the pantry is done. And we've put a vapor barrier to separate the pieces of wood on top. And this is how all the walls look from the top. And we are having the trussers delivered. So this is the truck that is bringing them. And it's the Salmon Arm Truss Company. This is how the truck looks like, and it's brought all of our trussers. It's got a big hook, and it's gonna attach it to the trussers and lower them into the yard. So the hook is lifting all of like the small side trussers up, and the guy right there, he has the remote for it, so he's controlling it. And they just lowered the trussers right here, and my parents are coming to take the hooks off and move the trussers so they're nicer. So my dad has unhooked all of the hooks that were holding the trussers, and now we are having the trussers that are for the garage put down in our yard over here, where we've got an area cleared for them and they won't be in the way. So we've got the trussers lowered, and my dad's gonna take the hooks off again, and Then we're gonna get the trusses put onto the roof. Right now my parents are taking some of the smaller pieces off of the truck that brought them and carrying them here. There's these other pieces of wood that were brought, so we're moving them. And now we're gonna have these pieces of wood lifted onto the roof, and my dad went to climb up so that he could push them so that they go on the roof without like falling off, and they can stay up there. So my dad is up there helping the trusses be lowered so they're touching the 3 walls that they're being put on. And we wanted the trusses to be put in the back of the house, but the clock couldn't, or the hook couldn't reach all the way there, so we had them put in the front. And right now my dad's unhooking the hooks from the trusses. And that's all of the trusses that were brought. So the hook's gonna be put away, and the guy's gonna get it to fold back up using the remote, clean up, and all of the trusses are off. And that's it. This is how all of the trusses look. We've got the small ones in the front over here, garage ones, and then the ones for the house on top of the house. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!